Hey guys! So today I'm doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. It's not even for me, it's for my boyfriend. But then you guys can see what's in a male Stitch Fix. And as everyone knows, Stitch Fix isn't really new, so I feel like I don't need to go through the whole spiel. But if you do have any questions about it, leave me a comment below and I will get back to you. So here is the return bag. It comes in every box. And then the guys looks a little bit different from the girls. This is the guys packet with all their paperwork in it. And it comes with little styling cards. So everything that comes in your box, it'll tell you kind of like, this is what you should wear with it, and your stylist will write you a little personalized note, which is really sweet. And then also, the part I don't like to look at, the price sheet. So that's also in that little book. But I don't look at that until the end. So I've already opened this because I can't wait. But here's what he got. So the first item is Threads for Thought Baseline Tri-Blend Crew Tee. I'm probably butchering that, but basically just a crew neck tee in gray, obviously. Nothing too, kind of a basic, but he loves these. It's really, really, really soft. And it's really light, so with as hot as it gets here in North Carolina, I think this will be great. I think he'll really, really like that. So let's see what's next. I'll give you the prices of all these things at the end. Let's see. Next is the Taylor Vintage George Performance Polo in navy. I absolutely love this. This is probably my favorite thing. And I didn't even notice this before when I pulled it out of the box, but inside the collar of this polo, it's got like a little beach, like Hawaiian flower type thing. Super cute. I won't tell him that it's super cute, but it's super cute. And he's really weird. I don't know if anybody else's boyfriend, husband, or brother is like this. He's really weird about like logos on his shirt. So this one doesn't have the logo on it. Looks kind of like Nautica is what my mom was saying earlier, but I think it'll be okay. I think he'll like it. Super cute. And this is in a size large, and so is the last shirt. So there's that. Really cute. It looks so good on him. I'm excited. And next is a pair of denim. So I just bought him a couple of pairs of denim at Hollister because they are really cheap and they last forever. But I don't think one more pair of denim would hurt, and I think he'll really like these, so I don't think he'll turn them down. But these are, I'm gonna butcher this, guys. Retrofit ABOTTS Athletic Straight Jean in light blue. And this is a size 32-34. So here's the wash. It's kind of like a medium wash, I would say, and it's a little bit more faded on like the thigh of it. But I absolutely love the wash on these, and I think he will too. I don't know if you guys can see. Love. And they're pretty straight legged, which is usually what he likes. Nothing too extremely tight. Two more things. This hoodie. Okay, so would it be bad if I kept this for myself? This hoodie is Threads for Thought Baseline Tri-Blend Zip Hoodie in the color red, size large. So here's that. More like a faded maroon, kind of. It's not really showing up on camera, but it's a little bit more faded than what you see. Super, super soft. One more thing. He got shoes. He's so lucky. This is his first Stitch Fix and he just got shoes. Like, that doesn't usually happen. So these are are Toms, the Del Rey lace-up sneaker in gray, and they're a size 11. So tell me what you guys think of these. I'm not really sure about what I think. I'm a sneakerhead, so I'm very particular about what they look like, but he really isn't. He's pretty casual and chill. I'm not when it comes to shoes, but I think they look nice. I think they're nice. And they're Toms, so see what he thinks. They're cute. If it were me, I probably wouldn't get them. They feel kind of like stiff on the bottom, but the top is really soft, so maybe. We'll see. Now for the fun part, the price sheet. Let's see. Okay, so for the Toms I just showed you, they are $79. For those, I don't know what I think. But listen, there's a catch at the end. So the straight jeans are... These are $49, which is madness. That is cheap, guys. That is super cheap. Super, super cheap. I wish I could find jeans that I like for $49. Okay. Then the crew neck tee is, I've got everything all over the place. The crew neck tee is $28, super cheap. And it's extremely soft. Like I already know like this is gonna be the first thing that he's like, yep, go ahead, I'm getting that. Next is the hoodie, and it is $50. However, hoodies are worth $50. I love hoodies. I wear them all year long. And this one's super soft, and hopefully I wear it. Next, last thing is the performance polo, and it's $49. Now that might seem a bit extreme, but this is my favorite thing in the box. First thing. Second thing is he loves polo, so I think he'd get a lot of wear out of this. And the quality of the products that come in these boxes are really great, so you have to take that into consideration. Also, these people are picking clothes out for you and sending them to you, so you're paying for that. And if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, they give you a buy 5 discount. So before the buy 5 discount or any other discount, it's $255 for all 5 items. Then if you buy all 5 items, you get 25% off. So then it would be that would take off $63.75. Then they also take into consideration your styling fee, which is $20. And then, so that would bring his total down to $171.25, which is really cheap. So typically, I feel like Stitch Fix boxes after the buy 5 discount and the styling fee are usually around $200. So the fact that it's under that mark, I'd say it's a good fix, especially if you like all 5 items. Because I was figuring up numbers earlier, and I was like, well, what if he just got the 2 tops and the hoodie? Then that would mean that it'd be $130, when for $40 more he could get the shoes and the jeans. So you kind of have to juggle with prices, but typically, obviously, they're going to make it cheaper if you buy all 5 items. So I personally think this is going to be a 5 out of 5 for him. I guess I'll wait and see what he thinks. But let me know what you guys think about this Stitch Fix, or what was your favorite piece, or if you guys got Stitch Fixes for your boyfriends or husbands. So just let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.